Yeah, good morning, everybody. What a day, man. What a day. Welcome to the Morning Options Report. If you watched that Jet game last night, you know why I got a smile on my face. Greatest game in Jet history last night.
Are you a Jet fan? What's going on down there in Costa Rica?
Only when we win, man. Only when we win, dude.
Loved that green and white last
I'm already
night,
calling him the
man.
GOAT. I'm the first, man. GOAT. Greatest of all time. Right there, man.
You may have jinxed another first-round quarterback. Thanks. I hope you're knocking on some wood.
He's a butt fumble away from being another Sanchez.
Yeah, I remember you talking about Sanchez was the same, like it was your honeymoon.
Honestly, I still love Sanchez. If they brought him back today, I'd be psyched. I love Sanchez.
Where is Sanchez today?
He's
modeling in Latin America.
He got suspended for performance-enhancing drugs. Which a guy in my office says performance-enhancing? That's impossible. There's no way he took performance-enhancing drugs.
I thought he got suspended for manscaping.
All right, man. What's the chameleon got for us this morning, dude? I want to see some. I want to see some winner chicken dinner this morning, man. I want to see some awesomeness today, man.
Did you put that disclaimer up? Tell everyone how risky options can be.
There's the disclaimer. There it is, right there. Although I think we've been right as rain the last couple of days. What did we talk about? We talked about Musk and Tesla catching it on the bottom. And
you seeing the screen?
Yeah, man. What do we got? All right, let's get it on. What do we got?
Well, today, well, I got to get your face off of there.
Whoa, get that out. Yeah.
I was scrolling down the market feed, looking for something to ignite my senses, and the first thing I came across was this 8-day trend lower, WDC. So I immediately, what are you going to look at when something's trending lower?
You know me, I look for bottoms, but yeah, I've heard that that's not a smart trading strategy.
That can be dangerous.
Yep.
I looked for bull and bear call spreads. I broke out the screener and see if anything turned up in WDC, and just by a pure miracle, where's the WDC? There you go, WDC. And there were quite a few options. You don't use that word too often, options. There were some interesting things to look at with a lot of cushion if it goes against you to the upside, a good return. Now, this is obviously just out to September 21st. So what's that, 10 days?
Yeah.
You can get, there's an 80% return here, 63% return. If the stock remains unchanged with a cushion of 2%, 2.3%. So there's some good bear call spreads to look at and some bear put spreads that you'll be paying for. But also, if the stock continues to trend lower, you have an opportunity for, here's a 44% winner with a 1.6% cushion, 2.3% cushion, 40% winner. So if the trend continues lower, you have an opportunity to make some money and spread off your risk here.
Okay.
On that same note, I continued to scroll down, and GM interested me.
GM.
Something with the car company.
Do we still own? Does the taxpayer still own GM?
They do not.
They don't. We got all our money back.
Every last
penny. And some interest.
And more.
God bless it.
Great American company. And I again screened the bear call spreads, the bear put spreads. And once again, there were plenty of opportunities to get short General Motors for the next 10 days. And some yields, the cushion we look for if the stock moves against us and goes higher. You got a 1.6% cushion, a 3.5% cushion. You can still yield 11%. So there's some good opportunities to look at in the screeners.
So if you're looking at GM, that's your okay. It's on your radar now. How are you diving deeper with GM? What are you doing right now? So you like GM's play in the electric space. You think they're poised to dominate Tesla. They've got the breadth of production. They can make it happen. How are you going to dive deeper and make sure GM's something you want to?
The depth of my dive today is looking at this chart and seeing it's broken resistance points. It looks like it's going lower. That's the
Wait, I didn't think you were a chart guy, dude. Are you a chart guy?
I can be. If
You can.
Trends.
You can be if it works for you. Come on, man.
If a trend's showing up.
All right.
I'm not going to fight a trend. If you
okay.
want to, if you're somehow bullish, GM, and you've done some research, you either want to take the other side of that trade with a bull call spread, a bull put spread, or just get long the stock, or put some more risk on the table and just buy calls, not spread it off at all, or sell some puts. It's there are a lot of options out there. But for me, I was looking for something that looks like it's trending in a certain direction, and then looking for a spread that would, be a winner if that trend continues.
What is going on in GM that it's taking a dive like this?
I would say it's probably something has happened around earnings. They're not meeting their numbers. This car cycle's, at a top, and it's starting to roll over. Could be any number of things.
Or that people are just not going to own cars in 10 years. Could that possibly be it? That people are not going to own cars, and this is all over, and GM needs to just shutter its doors.
That could be a thing. It could be a lot of issues.
There are a lot of issues going on right there. All right, man. That is good stuff today, brother.
Just to piggyback on the GM.
Yeah, man.
Another thing I was looking at was the option order flow sentiment to see if I could find something positive on another car company. And I found this KMX. So just to get a bullish play in the car space to offset that bearish play, their order flow has been showing up increasingly bullishness. It was the second largest in notional, the trade value of the calls that we're trading. And I just screened for that on the bullish side, the CarMax, and did find some bull call spreads and some bull put spreads that have a reasonable return over the next 10 days, have some cushion. So you can look at that if you do want to get into the car play. This is obviously not a car producer. This is a car seller, but it's something to look at.
All right, man. Good
Just
stuff.
A little something else.
Good stuff, dude. Nice. All right, everybody, remember, click the subscribe button down below. Remember, click that bell if you want to get notified on your phone when we're live every morning. And if you are interested, hop on over to Facebook right now, and we'll be over there in a few minutes.
Facebook?
Dive a little bit deeper. What's that, brother?
We're going to Facebook. What's that?
You've never...
Do I have to turn something on?
He doesn't... How do I have one... Is it on this? Where do I... Hello?
Do I have to dial the phone in?
Hello, Facebook.
All right, everybody. Appreciate you showing up this morning.
All right, we'll see you.